The second one, Cole, we wanted to touch on was design names and sizes. And I think this is a really interesting one because, working at different builders over the years, they've all labeled their stuff differently. And, in the end, a 20 square home, which is 186 square meters, is the same. That's how big it is. It's either 186 or 20 squares, but they equal the same thing. So, I guess initial bit can be a little bit confusing because the sizes, although it's exactly the same size house, it can be labelled in a different way. So, in Victoria, the term squares is used a lot. But interstate New South Wales, Queensland, for example, they use square metres a lot. So depending on where you are will depend on the talk. Now, if I go to talk to someone about squares and I say, well, how big is a square? Most people have no idea. It's, their house is 20 squares, but they've got no idea how big a square is. So there's a little bit of lessons in that, I guess. As I mentioned, one square is 9.29 square metres. So, if you pull out your calculator, 20 squares multiplied by 9.29 equals 186 square meters. It's a pretty simple calculation. So if you're unsure, most people have got a calculator on their phone. Check that out.